There you are. We looked all over the cafeteria for you.
You skipped lunch again. Is everything okay?
I'm fine. I just wanted some peace and quiet.
Still studying? We have that test next week, not today.
I know. Reading helps me forget everything else. Sometimes it's easier to stay here and forget about the harassment I face each day because I am intelligent.
Sarah, you shouldn't have to hide because of anyone.
I'm not hiding.
Maybe not, but you look lonely.
Hi, my name is Use VEO, and what you just watched is a short video with a clean dialogue. The characters are very consistent throughout every scene. Today, I will break down how you can achieve this. Today, you will learn how you can write your own scripts and the prompts to use so that you don't burn your credits. How to create a consistent character for your videos, how you can create a dialogue conversation that is very smooth, not the type of dialogue whereby a character will not be able to look at the other character or they will look in the opposite direction, which is common mistake that we see in most of the AI movie generations. Every prompt in this tutorial will be in the video description. Also, check my description for a free giveaway as an apology for being away for so long. Thank you guys for all your emails and your text messages, and also for sticking around. I'm really very grateful. I'm back on YouTube and I promise to be more consistent. So let's get back to the video. The first step will be the idea and the script. Before touching any AI video generator, you need a compiling story. Every successful AI movie starts with a clear idea and a well-written script. Okay? The biggest mistake beginners make is jumping straight into video generation without planning the story first. This will make you to waste your credits. Once I had my story idea, I used ChatGPT as my writing and creative assistant instead of trying to figure everything out myself. I uploaded a reference photo for each character I got from Pinterest to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT helped in creating multiple reference angles of the same character, including the full body view, the half body view, the face portrait, the side portrait. Having multiple angles meant that I could keep Sarah and all the characters looking consistent throughout the entire movie. Once the references were complete and downloaded to my PC, ChatGPT wrote the script scene by scene. Remember, every prompt is in the video description. Now that ChatGPT has helped us to create the story, the scripts, and the prompts, it's time to move on to the next AI tool we'll be using, which is called Higgsfield. This is an all-in-one AI filmmaking platform that makes it so easy to create consistent cinematic videos. First, you have to sign up using your email address or your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Then, the first step you need to do is to create what we call a SO ID character. A SO ID character is a unique identity for your characters. Instead of recreating your characters in every scene, Higgsfield remembers their face, their body, the clothing, the overall appearance, even their side view, and then it will keep your character looking consistent throughout the entire movie. To create one, go to the main menu, select Images, then click on SO ID character, click on Create Character, and upload your images. you need at least 20 images or about 20 images. You can upload up to 20 or more depending on what you have. I will encourage you to upload as much as you can, because the better and the higher your number of images, the better it will be able to create a replica of that character that you want. Higgsfield also shows you example of the photos that is best and the type that you should avoid. Once you have uploaded your images, give your character a name and click on create character. Now, we have created our soul ID character. The next step is to create our first scene. Go to Cinema Studio. This is where all the magic will happen. But before we begin, let me quickly explain the different sections you will see. The home section. This is where you can explore videos created by other creators for inspiration. On the generation section, this is where all the videos you have generated are stored. The element is one of the most important sections. Here you will find your soul ID characters. You will find your other elements such as the location, the background, the character's outfits, and so many other things. For this project, I got my location images and outfit inspiration using Pinterest. To add a new element, example, to add the location, click on new elements, click on upload your images, click add element, give it a name, and add a short description. This is optional, and then click on create. Once you are done adding all your elements, you can now create your first scene. Scroll down to project and click on new project. Give your project a name. Next, copy the prompt for your first scene you got from ChatGPT and paste it here. You will notice there are several art symbols throughout the prompts. This is extremely important for this particular tutorial. Replace each art symbol or the art tag with a corresponding element. So how will you do this? You click art on your keyboard and select the soul ID character that is representing what ChatGPT has given you. So if ChatGPT says at Sarah, click on at Sarah, click on art on your symbol and select Sarah. And if ChatGPT gave you at uniform, click on art and select the uniform. So what you have to do is to make sure that when you have the prompt from ChatGPT and you are creating the characters, make sure you give them the same name. Now, after pasting the prompt and selecting the elements, you have to choose the model. We are using C-Dance 2.0. Select your aspect ratio. We are choosing 16:9 aspect ratio. Choose the duration of the particular scene you are creating. For this one is 10 seconds, and then select your preferred quality. Once everything looks good and you're happy, then you can click on generate. Generation usually takes around 2 minutes, so after that you will get your results. Now let's see the result. This looks simply amazing. Very good. So now notice how smooth the motion is and how consistent the characters remain. Another important thing you notice is that I rarely use words like he, she, they inside my prompts. Instead, I always reference my characters using their soul ID. This gives Higgsfield much better consistency throughout the movie. Now let's create another scene. Creating the next scene follows the same process basically. Simply paste the prompts for scene two, from scene 2 you got from ChatGPT, replace all your art tag with your existing elements, then click on create after selecting your settings. Now, how can I extend a clip from 15 seconds to make it longer? The maximum clip Higgsfield gives us is 15 seconds, but we can make it longer. And how can we make sure that our scenes are continued very smoothly? The answer is using what we call the last frame. Go to the last video clip you generated, click on the three dots and select Extract Last Frame. Higgsfield automatically saves the last frame as a new element, okay? Click the extracted frame and choose Check Eligibility. Now, when writing your next prompt, begin by describing the final action, like the last action from the previous clip, before continuing with the new action. For example, this is the last clip. Notice the final movement. I start my prompt by describing the exact action that happened in the last clip, then I continue with the rest of the scene. So this creates a smoother transition between the clips. This is the result it gives. Did you notice how naturally the camera moves to introduce the new characters? Did you notice that Sarah was still looking the same and consistent? So this is how you can do it. Our next step will be generating dialogues. This is making our characters to speak to each other. Copy your dialogue prompts from ChatGPT, paste it into Cinema Studio, then carefully assign each line of dialogue to the correct SOID character. Because Higgsfield already understands who each character is, it naturally makes them look at each other. So it's able to maintain eye contact and respond realistically during the conversation. So making it easy for it to avoid the mistake of looking in the opposite direction or looking in a blank space, basically. The results are incredibly cinematic if you follow this method. And this is how you can create or generate dialogue. It is really simple. All you need is ChatGPT and Higgsfield. Now, this is the results.
There you are. We looked all over the cafeteria for you.
You skipped lunch again. Is everything okay?
I'm fine, I just wanted some peace and quiet.
Still studying? We have that test next week, not today.
I know. Reading helps me forget everything else.
See how brilliant and how exceptional the dialogue is. Now, that is how to create a complete AI movie with consistent characters, smooth scene transition, a realistic dialogue using ChatGPT and Higgsfield. If you found this video helpful, make sure you save this video so you can come back to it whenever you are creating your own AI movies. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notifications because I'll be sharing more advanced AI filmmaking tutorials, prompts, and workflows that will help you create professional quality videos. So see you in my next video. Bye.